Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a beautiful art made with needle, thread and parties. It is relaxing, creative and anyone can clean it. Let's explore some popular embroidery designs and easy ideas. Floral embroidery designs. Floral designs are the most popular in hand embroidery. Flowers look soft, elegant and never go out of style. You can stitch roses, leaves or small birds. Floral embroidery looks beautiful on dresses, dupattas, pillow covers and tablecloths. Beginners can start with simple flowers using straight stitches and lazy daisy stitches. Simple pattern embroidery. Simple patterns are perfect for beginners. These include lines, dots, borders and small shapes. Geometric designs are easy to modern. They look great on cushion covers and handbags. Simple designs help you practice neat stitches and improve your hand control. Traditional hand embroidery designs. Traditional embroidery designs are rich and detailed. Examples include Kashmiri, Fulkari, Sindhi and mirror work. These designs are use bright colors and beautiful patterns. They look amazing on kurtis, shalwar kameez and bridal dresses. Traditional embroidery shawls, culture and heritage throughout thread work. Leaf and nature embroidery. Nature inspired designs are very calming. Leaves, vines, birds and trees are popular choices. Leaf embroidery can be simple or detailed. You can use green shades or mixed colors for a modern look. Nature designs are perfect for wall frames and home decor. Minimal embroidery designs. Minimal embroidery is very trendy these days. These designs use few stitches and soft colors. Small hearts, stars, birds and tiny flowers are common. Minimal embroidery looks elegant and modern. It is perfect for daily wear clothes and gifts. Alphabet and name embroidery. Alphabet embroidery is great. You can stitch names or short words. This type of embroidery is popular for baby clothes, towels and cushions. It also makes a lovely handmade gift. Simple back stitch or chain stitch works well for letters. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.